Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your soundbar model and current firmware so the right file is used. Once done, connect the soundbar to your home network. Ethernet is best for reliability, but 2, 4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi works. Make sure the TV and soundbar remain powered for the whole process. Interruptions can corrupt the update. Next, open the Samsung SmartThings app or the soundbar menu on the TV to check for firmware updates, and prepare to download the latest package. You now download and install the firmware. This is the core step. If using SmartThings, select the device and tap Update Firmware, follow on-screen prompts and wait while the file downloads. If updating via TV, navigate to Support Software Update and choose Soundbar. The TV streams the file. For manual updates, copy the exact firmware. Bin to a FAT32 USB drive, insert it into the soundbar, then choose Update from USB in the Service menu. Keep devices on until completion. Finish by confirming the update completed. The app or soundbar lights will indicate success, and the new firmware version appears in Settings About. If things go wrong, do not panic. Power cycle the soundbar, switch to an Ethernet connection, or retry with a freshly formatted FAT32 USB drive and the correct bin file. If the install repeatedly fails, note the error code and contact support. You'll avoid problems by keeping power stable and verifying the model and firmware file before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.